Hey guys, hello everyone. Hi, hello, namaste, adab, sat sri akal. Assalamu alaikum, vanakkam and khammagani to all of you. Welcome everybody. How's everybody doing? कैसे हैं सारे बच्चे? Hello. Hello guys. Hi Pooja. Hello Skull13. Hello Kunal. Haji, how's everybody guys? कैसे हैं सारे बच्चे? Hello everyone. जल्दी से you can join the session. वनक्कम to you guys. ठीक है, जल्दी से एक बार सेशन ज्वाइन कर लो क्विकली. शेयर द लिंक विद ऑल योर फ्रेंड्स एज वेल सो दैट दे कैन ऑल्सो ज्वाइन. हेलो उर्जित, हाय जूलिया, हेलो अमीशा, हेलो बच्चा. यू आर गुड, वेरी गुड. हाउ आर यू? आई एम ऑसम एज ऑलवेज, है ना, हमेशा की तरह मस्त, फर्स्ट क्लास. ऑलराइट, चलो बच्चा पार्टी विल बी स्टार्टिंग द क्लास. बिफोर वी स्टार्ट, जस्ट डू मी वन फेवर. प्लीज शेयर दिस वीडियो अमॉन्ग ऑल योर फ्रेंड्स so that we can start the session. More students can join. जल्दी से एक बार ये कर लो काम quickly guys. बेटा sometimes it happens that पढ़ने का मन नहीं करता है, but that is the moment where you have to make yourself understand that this is the time to study and पढ़ना पड़ता है ना. Is Venti there? Obviously yes, definitely there is Venti. पूजा बेटा नहीं यार, I don't know Kannada. ठीक है, चलो. So guys, we'll be starting the class. As you all know, this is your statistics session 1. In this particular topic we'll be doing like introduction and mean of grouped data. So mean of grouped data mein in today's class we'll be discussing two methods, the normal method, the direct method, and then the assumed mean method. ठीक है, step deviation method we'll be doing in the next class. ठीक है, all right, okay. ठीक है बच्चा पढ़े, चलो, very well done guys. So let us start the class. For those who are new here, my name is Gopal Paliwal and I am your master teacher of mathematics here at Vedantu. All right, done my graduation from IIT Dhanbad, have been teaching now from the past 5 years. You can see my credentials on your screen. Okay guys, now introduction की बात करें तो देखो, first we'll be discussing direct method and assumed mean method. Then we'll be discussing the median of grouped data and mode of grouped data. ये सारा आप लोगों को पढ़ना है, ठीक है. ऑल राइट गाइस, तो मीन पढ़ लेंगे. मीन विल बी स्टडिंग टुडे, मीडियन एंड मोड विल बी स्टडिंग इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास. ओके, ठीक है. ऑल राइट, सो बाय द एंड ऑफ द क्लास दिस इज द काइंड ऑफ सेशन, दिस इज द काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चन यू विल बी एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड. ये वाला इस टाइप का क्वेश्चन यू विल बी एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड कि कैसे करना है, ठीक है. नो, यू विल नॉट फेस मच डिफिकल्टी, ज़्यादा डिफिकल्टी आना नहीं है, ईजी है टॉपिक. ऑल राइट sir, if I start NTSC preparation right now, can I crack it? But देखो, to be very honest, I am pretty sure that if you will not start your preparation, you will definitely not crack it, है ना. So if you start preparation, obviously your chances will increase. Okay, so that's as simple as that. The more quickly you will start, the more are your chances for getting selection. And the more you'll think that if I start now, will I be selected or not, then obviously it will further delay the process, not helping you at all. So many times students will be asking, sir, if I start now, will I be able to do this? Arey bhai, first start your preparation, first do your work. Whether the result is accordingly or not, that you'll see later. All right, ठीक है बेटा. मुकरी बेटा, this you need to ask to Anup sir, ठीक है. He'll explain it to you better way. Okay, all right, clear है guys. But I would just say it's because of free electrons. चलो, let's move ahead guys, आगे बढ़ते हैं. इंट्रोडक्शन की बात करते हैं. स्टैटिस्टिक्स, as you all know, like discipline of mathematics which deals with collection of data, organization of data. So statistics is important when we discuss the data, when we have to get some information out of a data. All right, so in the grade 9th you have learned about mean, median and mode, but you have learned that only for ungrouped data, है ना. So in this class we'll be discussing it for the grouped data as well. Class 10 statistics is similar to no Rani, there will be difference. Okay, So in this grade, you'll be discussing more about the grouped data. That means with class interval type. Okay. So first beta, let us talk about your mean, the formula for mean. As you all know, कि suppose guys there are some observations x1, x2, x3. Okay. For example, there are some observations say x1, x2, x3, and so on. And let's say their frequency is f1, f2, f3, and so on. समझो? If it is like this, ठीक है, ऐसा हो रहा है, then what you'll do, first step is multiplying these two. So you'll get x1 f1, you'll get x2 into f2, you'll get x3 into f3, and so on. ठीक है. Now to get the value of mean, what you need to do is sum of all this. That means sum. This is the sign of sum. Summation of fi into xi. What does it mean? कि भाई frequency into the observation. We are saying I is going from 1 till n. Divide by summation of the frequency, where again I is going from 1 till n. ठीक है. So this will give you the formula for mean, and mean is represented with x bar. Mean is represented with x bar. ठीक है. All right. Clear है. Is it clear? Okay. Oh, I'm sorry guys. I'm sorry. I did not see that my video was full. Yes. I'm sorry. This was my mistake, yaar. I did not see this. Okay, देखो, let me explain this one more time. I'll explain this one more time. Don't worry. Suppose if you have some observations, say x1, x2, x3, and so on, right? And their respective frequency, these are your observations. This is your frequency. So x1 into f1 you'll do, x2 into f2 you'll multiply, x3 into f3 you'll multiply, and then you will add all of them divided by sum of all the frequencies. ठीक है. So f1 into x1 plus f2 into x2 plus f3 into x3, add all of them, divide by sum of all the frequencies. This gives you your mean. ठीक है. Now how do you do this? Why you multiply sum with frequency? If you remember grade 9th में we have discussed this, that if an observation is coming say f times, suppose 10 is coming 3 times, so sum of all those 10s will be 10 into 3, 30. If 5 is coming 5 times, sum of all those will be 5 into 5, 25. So when I multiply observation with its frequency, we get the sum of all those terms. And when I add all these f into x, I get sum of all the observations, divide by sum of frequency gives me the number of observations. So this formula is nothing but sum of observation divided by number of observation. Formula same है बेटा. There is no change in that. ठीक है? There is no change in that. Clear है बेटा? All right. उसमें कोई change नहीं है. ठीक है? So this we have studied in the previous grade as well. Previous grade में you have studied this. All right. ये पढ़ा हुआ है हम लोगों ने, है ना? Sum of say summation of fi into xi, where I is going from 1 to n divided by sum of frequencies. Okay. Now how to apply this? You will be seeing over here. The marks obtained by 30 students of class 10th of a certain school in the mathematics paper consisting of 100 marks are presented in table below. Find the mean of the marks obtained by the student. So here marks obtained, and here you have got number of students who have got those marks, and you want to find out the mean. So marks obtained will be your xi, number of students. Number of something is your frequency. So what we need to do better here, xi into fi. So 10 into 1 is 10, 20 into 1 is 20, 36 3s are, so 6 3s are 18 power 1108, 44s are 160, 53s are 150, 56 2s are 112, 240, 280, 72, 80, 88 is 176, 92 into 3, 3 2s are 6, 9 3s are 27, and 95 into 1 is 95 only. Right? This is your fi into xi. Now what you need to do is sum of all those fi into xi, add all of them divided by sum of frequency. Sum of frequency, it is given total 30 students. ठीक है, so divide by 30. अब इन सब का sum निकाल लो, find out the sum. So if you will do the sum of all this will be 1779. ठीक है, sum is coming to be 1779. So this division if you will perform, you will get your mean, and your mean you are getting as 59.3. Alright, so little bit time consuming, I would understand that, but not difficult at all. And that is why you get more marks. The statistics portion are given for more marks because this is a little bit time consuming. Alright, okay beta. So this is your method for finding out mean when the data is ungrouped. There is no class interval over here. If you will see, there is no class interval over here. But if we get a data in which there is class interval, so how do we solve it? Okay, so two methods will be studying guys. One is direct method, one is assumed mean method. Alright, so direct method mein beta, dekho, we know that suppose if the class interval is given, say 0 to 10, alright, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40 and so on. I'm just giving you an example. Alright, so this is the classes and they'll give you the value of frequency. And they will give you the value of frequency. Frequency will be given. Dekho guys, this chapter is all about understanding the table. ठीक है? You might be thinking, sir, you're not responding to my messages, but hello. But dekho, in between I don't want to break the flow. Alright, ठीक है? That is why sometimes I don't reply to the normal hi hello messages when I'm teaching. Alright, and yes, there will be Menti at the end. Okay, now focus over here. Class interval is given, frequency will be given to you. Alright, let's say 2, 3, 1 and 4 for example, let's say. Now you will know that we know the formula for the mean is summation of fi xi divided by summation of fi. This sign is called summation, sum of all those. Here we don't have the value of x. Observation value we don't know, na yaar. Will you multiply 0 with 2 or 10 with 2? That we don't know. So the value of x will obtain, and remember the xi will be nothing but class mark. Remember? I hope you still remember. Class mark. Middle value of a class interval, which is upper class limit plus lower class limit by 2. So here 0 plus 10. 10 by 2 is 5. Here 10 plus 20, 30 by 2, 15. 20 plus 30 by 2, 25. And 30 plus 40 by 2, 35. Now you got xi, now you got fi. You can go ahead with your previous method. You will say, chalo sir, let's find out fi into xi. 2 into 5 is 10. 3 into 15 is 45. 25 into 1 is 25. 35 into 4 is 140. Bas, sum of all these will be 45 plus 25, this is 150, and here 50, 150 plus 50, 200, 220, 220 divided by here. So here the sum is equal to 220. And what is the sum? No, not for the sum, for x, sum of frequencies. Sum of frequency will be 10. Divided by 10, you will find out 22 is the mean. You will find out 22 is the mean. Ab batao beta, is there anything difficult about it? Is there anything difficult about it? Only thing is you have written extra class mark. One extra thing you need to find out, if there is a group interval, if there is a class interval is given, only thing is you need to find out the value of xi, right? And after that everything is pretty same. Any doubt guys till now? Any doubt you have? Any doubt bacha in this method? So this is your direct method. Which method it is? Direct method, exactly same to what you have studied earlier. Exactly same to what you have studied earlier. Any doubt guys? I'll move ahead. ठीक है? Alright guys, So mean of grouped data में डायरेक्ट मेथड में डायरेक्ट दिस इज सम ऑफ एफ आई इंटू एक्स आई, बस वही है, नथिंग एल्स. ऑलराइट, ठीक है. चलो let's move ahead now. You can say yes or no in the chat as well. All right, okay. Chalo, let's move ahead guys. Let's take some question based on this. Dekho, first question. 30 women were examined in the hospital by a doctor. The number of heartbeats per minute were recorded and summarized as follows. Find the heartbeats per minute for these women choosing a suitable method. Mean heartbeat we want. So obviously we need to find out the mean of this data. First thing, we need to find out the value of xi. Class mark 65 plus 68 by 2, you will be getting 65 plus 68, you will be getting 66.5. so this will be 66.5. ठीक है, 69.5, 72.5, 75.5, 78.5, 81.5 and 84.5. This is the xi. The number of women will be a frequency. So 2, 4, 3, 8, 7, 4, 2. Now what you will do? Sum of fi into xi. Sum of fi into xi. ठीक है, तो बस इसको मल्टीप्लाई कर लेंगे बेटा. Multiply all of them. You will do the addition over here. देख लो. You are doing the addition over here. The addition of all these values is 2277. Since it will be taking time, I'm just telling you how to make the table. ठीक है, sum of all the frequency is 30. Total number of women is 30. So mean will be division of both. So you'll be getting 75.9. You'll be getting 75.9. ठीक है बच्चा माटी. All right. So direct method is exactly same what we do in the what we have done in the previous one, which is like the ungrouped one when there were no class intervals. Direct method is exactly same. Only difference is they'll not give you the class frequency. The class marks will not be given. That you need to find out using the class interval. Bas khatam. Nothing else. Nothing new. Alright, ठीक है. अच्छा, one more thing guys, before we move ahead, you can register for Vedantu's Pro subscription by going to the link which is mentioned in the description box of this video as well as in the pinned comment. But before we go over there, let me tell you one thing. What are the features which you will be facing with this? ठीक है, what will be getting the features for this Pro subscription courses? So first thing guys, will be making sure that you can attempt all like as many classes as you want. There will be no restrictions on number of classes which you can take. You can take as many classes as you want. Also will be completing your entire syllabus in detail and will be providing you notes for all the classes that you'll be attending, handwritten notes in the handwriting of master teachers. Then all your doubts will be resolved instantly with the help of class teachers. In all our classes, class teachers will be present in the class who will take care of each and every doubt of yours. Okay beta, after that your concepts, for clearing those concepts further, we will be providing you assignments as well so that you can practice on the topics which we have taught. And as you know, practice makes a man perfect and we want our students to be perfect, है ना? So that will make your foundation solid. Assignments, with the help of assignments you'll be feeling also more confident. Once you feel confident, we'll be conducting tests for you as well. Mock test series will be there so that you can examine how many marks you're getting. You will get an idea where you are making mistakes in exams, what are your strength points, you are able to manage the time or not. Once on the basis of this, if you feel like you need to revise any topic or anything, there are thousands of micro courses where you can revise a topic whenever you want and whatever number of times you want. Okay? There will be no limit. You don't have to wait for the teacher to revise it again for you once the syllabus finishes and all. You can revise any topic according to your need whenever you want. It's as simple as that. Okay bacha, so the link for registration is mentioned in the description box of this video as well as in the pinned comment. Understand this thing guys, GPE Pro, this is your code. Now what will this code do? This will get you 10% off, flat 10% off on all the courses. Okay, you can easily register for this guys. For example, this is your video over here. Alright, so in the description box of this video, here you can find avail all the courses. Now say grade 10, so go here class 10 CBSE term to full syllabus. Just click on that, and if you want to change your grade or board, you can click over here and get it changed. Then click on get started. Okay. Here you have Pro Lite, in which you'll be getting all the features which I have told you till now, and this is Pro Classic, in which you get one extra feature, which is the unlimited doubt solving on Doubts app. You will get access to Doubts app, where unlimited doubt will be resolved. You can get unlimited doubt resolved over there. 24/7 support. Whatever time you are studying, you are getting some doubt, post doubt over there, you will get the solution. That's what you are getting with this Pro Classic subscription. Now one thing, if you want to try it, beta try भी कर सकते हो. देखो try period है यहाँ पे, try for 15 days is written over here. Just click on this, try करो, and if you like it, yes, you can definitely join the whole course. Okay बच्चा, ठीक है. So this is the Pro course which you are getting, a very good course for scoring good marks. Okay, now we'll be going for our next topic, which is assumed mean method. अब देखो assumed mean method को if you want to understand, you need to understand that thing which you have studied in grade 9th. It was, suppose if I give you some observations, all right, and in all the observations, if I add a number, say number 2, if I add 2 in all the observations, the mean also will increase by 2. For example, say I have some numbers over here, say 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. Let us find out their mean, beta. Mean is what? 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. So which is equal to 10 divided by 4, which is equal to 2.5. Right? Correct. Now do one thing. Add plus 2 in all. So 1 plus 2 will become 3. 3 plus 2 will be 2 plus 2 will become 4. 3 plus 2 will become 5. 4 plus 2 will become 6. Find out the mean of all these numbers. You will find out that 3 plus 4, 7 plus 5, 12, 12 plus, 7 plus 5, 12 plus 6, 18. 18 divided by 4 will be equal to 4.5, and you will see mean also increases by 2. Mean also increases by 2. So if we add something in all the observations, mean also increases by that. If we subtract something from all the observation, mean will also be reduced by that much. That approach we use over here in assumed mean method. It is like again similar to the previous method, direct method only. The only thing is this method we use to make the calculations easy. Why do we use it? To make calculations easier, because many times students ask, sir, if these methods are giving the same answers, then what is the use of using different methods? One is sufficient. So the use of using different methods is to make the calculation easier. For example guys, previous question में देखो, look at the previous question. यहाँ पे देखो calculations देखो यार, 66.5 multiplied with 2, 4 यहाँ पे. And what if the frequency was also big? Frequency was 15, 12, 13 like that. Calculation would be big. Calculation would be very, very big. So to reduce those calculations, we use the assumed mean method. What we do over here, that we assume a mean, a middle value, and it is better if I teach it through the help of table. टेबल से समझ में आता है, अदरवाइज कोई ज़्यादा मजा नहीं है. टेबल से अंडरस्टैंड करते हैं बेटा. देखो marks we have got 0 to 10, so xi values, you know, 0 plus 10 by 2, 5, it will be 15, 25, 35, 45 and 55. Right, these will be your observations. Then number of students, sum of frequency is given as 12, 18, 27, 20, 17 and 6. अब बेटा देखो, if I use direct method, don't you feel the calculations are going to be big? What do you say? If I use direct method, don't you think the calculation will be big? होगा ना बेटा? What do you say? Calculations will be big. देखो 5 into 12, 60, ठीक है. 15 into 18 you have to do. 25 into 27, 35 into 20, 45 into 17, 55 into 6, add all of them. So it will be a bigger task. Alright. So here what we do, we assume a mean. A stands for assumed mean. We assume any value out of the values of xi, we assume it to be mean. And for easier calculation, you can assume mean from any value of xi. From any value of xi, you can assume any value of xi as mean. But to make calculation easier, choose any one value which will be in the middle, somewhere in the middle. So they go here in these values of xi, if you'll see, out of 25 and 35, anyone you can choose because both are in the middle. Okay? For easier calculation, choose middle value. Alright. So now we'll be getting the new value, which is di, which will be equal to xi minus a. From all the values, subtract xi. What is xi, guys, now? A. I have assumed a to be 25. For this particular question, I have assumed my mean to be a. I have assumed my mean to be 25. Okay? Out of 25, 35, you can choose anything. You can choose even 5 also. You can even choose 55 also. But to make calculation easier, choose something in the middle. So 25, we need to subtract from all the values of xi. So 5 minus 25. Here, if you will see, you'll be getting 5 minus 25, which will get you minus 20. Similarly here, 15 minus 25, which will give you minus 10. Similarly over here, 25 minus 25, which will give you 0. Here 35 minus 25, which will give you 10. Here 45 minus 25, which is giving you 20. And here 55 minus 25, which is giving you 30. Okay? Alright, now the values are good, comparatively better. Now what you'll do, beta? Now what we have done, all the observations, देखो, this is the same thing. We have reduced all the observations by 25. So if I subtract all the observations by 25, mean also get reduced by 25. Come है ना? ठीक है? So now we'll be finding out the value of fi into di. Multiply frequency with the new values which we have got. So here 12 into minus 20, you'll be getting minus 240. 18 into minus 10 is minus 180. 27 into 0 is 0. 20 into 10 is 200. 17 into 20 is 340. And here 6 into 30 is 180. If I add them, they got 180 minus 180 got cancelled. Minus 240, 340, 100 plus 200. Total sum is 300. How easy it has become. And here sum of the frequency. Sum of the frequency will be 12 plus 18 plus 27. Chalo, let's add. So 7 plus 7, 14, 14 plus 6, 20, 20 plus 10, 30, 0, power 3, 3 plus 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 100. Right? So now the value of mean, beta yaad hai na? Value of mean, you can say ki summation of fi di divided by summation of fi. This will be the mean for these values, the new values. Now as you know that if I decrease all the values by a, mean also decreases by a. So to get the original mean, we have to add a as well. That is why this is the formula. In your book, they have given you direct formula. I am giving you just a little feeling about it. A little feeling about it. Since I have reduced 25 from all the observations, my new mean will be 25 less than the original mean. So to get to the original mean, we'll be adding 25 which we have subtracted plus the mean of the new values. 300 by 100 got cancelled. 25 plus 3, which is 28. 28 will be your answer. Alright guys, 28 will be your answer. Clear? Is it clear, guys? ऑलराइट बच्चों, ठीक है, ओके, चलो लेट्स मूव अहेड. आई थिंक वेरी फ्यू स्टूडेंट्स टुडे, बहुत कम बच्चे हैं. चलो कोई नहीं, ठीक है. नाउ सिमिलरली वी कैन यूज इट फॉर दिस एज वेल. इसके लिए भी कर सकते हैं. 0 to 20 द क्लास मार्क विल बी xi वैल्यूज. 0 plus 20 by 2 10, 20 plus 40 by 2 30. Here you will get 50, here you will get 70, here you will get 90, here you will get 110. Frequency Fi is given as 20, 35, 52, 44, 38, 31. Right? Now what you'll do, beta? Assumed mean, assume any one value. Suppose assume 50 as the mean, middle value. Choose it as mean. So find out di, which is xi minus a. So 50, 10 minus 50 minus 40, 30 minus 50 minus 20, 0, 20, 40, 60. Then what you'll do? Find out the value of Fi into di. Minus 800, 35 2s are 70 minus 700. Here it is 0 times. 44 into 2 is 880. 38 into 4, so 0, and 152. And 31 into 6 will be 1860. All right. Okay. Find out the sum over here. If we'll find out the sum, here 80 is extra. 80 is extra in this. Give it to this. 1600 minus 700. If we'll do 1600 minus 700 will be equal to 900. So 900 and it is 1860, which is 2760 you'll get. And sum of all the frequencies, यहाँ पे frequency का sum कर लो बेटा. Sum of all the frequency over here will be 5 to 7, 7 and 4, 7, and here 12 plus 1 13, 13 plus 7 will be 20, 0 power 2, 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 5 12, 12 plus 4 16, 17 18 19, 20 21 22, 2 to 0. So we'll be getting the mean as the assumed mean, which is 50 plus 2760 be divided by 2 to 0, got cancelled. This will be cancelled by 11. 11 2s are 22, 56. No, 2760. Am I getting it correct? Something in decimals we are getting. 12.55. So we'll be getting 50 plus 12.55, which is equal to 62.55. This will be your simple. ठीक है बेटा, this is how this value will be done. All right. So ये simple से method है. Both are very similar. If you just look at the formula, तुमको लगेगा कि यार how we are doing it, why we are doing it. Two methods are there. One is sum of frequencies, sum of Fi xi divided by sum of Fi. Second में assume the mean to reduce the calculation, sum of Fi di divided by sum of Fi plus the assumed mean. That's it. Nothing else in the topic of mean. ठीक है, सेम टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन. अच्छा आप देखो, हियर दे आर सेइंग टेलिंग यू टू फाइंड आउट वन मिसिंग फ्रीक्वेंसी. अरे तो रेस्ट एवरीथिंग इज एग्जैक्टली सेम ना यार. डेली पॉकेट अलाउंस इज गिवन. सो फर्स्ट फाइंड आउट द क्लास मार्क. सो इट विल बी इक्वल टू 11 plus 13 by 2, which is 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22 and 24. Frequency will be what? So frequency beta, if you want to see, frequency is 7, 6, 9, 13. Okay, 7, 6, 9, 13. Then F, 5 and 4. Alright. Now what you can do is, you can find out, you have to find out the missing frequency. They have given you the mean. Mean is given as 18. Mean is given as what? Rupees 18. So to reduce the calculation, you can use assumed mean method also. To reduce the calculation, you can use assumed mean method as well, है ना? There is no difficulty in that. Suppose if we use the assumed mean method, 18 will be our assumed mean. 18 will be our assumed mean. So di will be equal to 12 minus 18, which is equal to minus 6, minus 4, minus 2, 0, 2, 4 and 6. So minus 6 into 7, fi into di will do it over here. Minus 6 into 7, minus 42. Okay, ठीक है बच्चा. So 7 6 minus 42, here minus 24, here minus 18, here you are getting 0, 2f, here 88, and here you have got 24 6 144. All right. Okay, now add all of them, sum of all this, है ना? So at the end your equation will be getting mean x bar is equal to a plus sum of fi di divided by sum of fi. So mean is given as 18, a we have assumed as 18, plus sum of fi di is equal to this. ठीक है, तो this has to be equal to 0. I got it. Okay, so this value, let us add all of them. So this is 2 plus 4, 2 plus 4 is 6, 6 plus 8 is 14, power 1, 4 plus 1 5, 6 7 and 8. So here you'll be getting 4, so this is becoming 148 plus 2f divided by, here sum of all this is what? Achha, they have used direct method, I have used the any method, answer will be same. So 7 plus 6 sum of frequency to is the same na, 44 plus f. Okay, this is 44 plus f. So if you'll see, you'll be getting 148 plus 2f divided by 44 plus f should be equal to 0. So you'll be getting 148 plus 2f should be equal to 0. Wait, that means some mistake is over here. So I choose that as the assumed mean. Here I am getting the negative value na. Some calculation mistake I think I am doing. Guys, can you find out any mistake, and do you see any mistake which I have made over here? Do you see any mistake which I have made over here? Have I taken the values correctly? 7 6 9 13 f54, 7 6 9 13 f54, midpoint 12 7 84. They have done directly. If you do or you do it normally also, answer will be same. There won't be any change. Arey, I got it. You know what is the mistake? I was multiplying with the wrong number na yaar. Multiplication was wrong. I have to multiply 4 with 5, 20. 4 6 are 24. That is what was my mistake na yaar. Yes, correct. So it will be 18 plus, this will be sum of FIDI. They go minus 24 plus 24 get cancelled. Here minus 18 and 20 is there. So you'll get plus 2 shifting over here. So you'll get 2f minus 40. This summation is what? 2f minus 40. f minus 40 divided by 44 plus f got cancelled. This is equal to 0. So 2f minus 40 upon 44 plus f is equal to 0. You'll get 2f minus 40 only equal to 0. 44 plus f into 0 is 0 only. So from here you'll get 2f is equal to 40 and f is equal to 20. खत्म हो गया क्वेश्चन. देख लो बेटा. Alright, done with the question. And see the value, see the difference. At one place you are adding all this, you are doing such a big calculation, and at one place with the assumed mean method calculations are so easy. So this is also proved, calculation becomes easier. Calculation becomes easier, है ना? Calculation easy हो जाती है बेटा. All right, ठीक है. So this is all. Let's move ahead. This is your homework question, guys. Try करो. Two frequencies are missing, F1 and F2. Okay, and you have to find out where they have given the mean daily expenditure is 188. Try to solve this question and let me know what is the value of F1 and F2 in the chat box. ठीक है, chat box में बताना है बेटा मेरे को. All right, clear है. चलो, now we'll be going ahead with the Menti quiz. जल्दी से बेटा ज्वाइन कर लो Menti एक बार सारे बच्चे. The code for joining the Menti is 59526090. The code for joining the Menti is 59526090. Quickly. The code for joining the Menti is 59526090. Net problem. Is there anyone? If nobody is there, then I'll just show the solution directly. Only 1, 2. Be quick, be quick. Beta, there will be enough time for you to solve the question. Don't worry. ठीक है. What you need to do, guys? You need to go to www.menti.com and use the code 59526090. Today very less students, यार. I don't know what happened today. बच्चे बड़े कम हैं. जल्दी से guys join करो quickly. 59526090. देखो, no worries. Even if there are 4 or 5 students also, will be going ahead with the same logic. है ना? अपने को तो पढ़ाई करना है. Don't worry. So the students, they can watch it later. Quickly. ठीक है. चलो. So be quick, guys. Alright, so we'll be moving ahead. Let's move ahead. We'll be starting with the question number 1. Question number 1, dekho, it's pretty easy. First question, what does it say? Which of the following is not a measure of central tendency? Which of the following is not a measure of central tendency? Let me know, guys. Which is not a measure of central tendency? 3, 2, 1, and the time is up. So everybody has voted, and the correct answer we have got is range, guys. क्या बात कर रहे हो? So this is the topics and measurement of central tendency. Mean, median, mode. These are the measurements of central tendency. Range does not come in that. Range does not come in that. ठीक है? Central tendency means try to get the middle value. Mean is one way of looking at the data. Median is another way of looking at the data. Mode is another way of looking at the data. Right? But range does not come in this. Range does not come in this. Okay? So the correct answer, we have got it from, I think, 2 students. So Yash and Anjali. ठीक है? Alright. We're moving ahead for the next question. Question number 2. Question number 2, देख लो बेटा. Question number 2 is this. Let's see. If the arithmetic mean is normal mean for all these number is 10, then what is the value of x? Mean nikalo, you will get your answer. Find out the mean and you will get your answer. Find out the mean and you will get your answer. Be quick. Last 10 seconds now. Last 10 seconds. 3, 2, 1 and the time is up. Alright. तो बच्चा पार्टी करेक्ट आंसर ओवर हियर विल बी योर ऑप्शन डी. ध्यान से सोचो भाई, मीन दे आर आस्किंग ना. इफ दे आर आस्किंग यू मीन सम ऑफ ऑल द ऑब्जर्वेशंस, सम ऑफ ऑल द ऑब्जर्वेशंस विल बी व्हाट? x plus 3 plus x plus 6 plus x plus 9 plus x plus 12 divided by number of observations. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 observations are there. You will be getting in their mean. You need to find out is given as 10. Sorry, mean is given as 10. So for x plus x, here you will be getting 5x. 3 plus 6, 9 plus 9, 18 plus 12 is plus 40 is equal to 5 tens are 50. 5x is equal to 10. X is equal to 4. So it is becoming 30. Sorry, I have made a mistake. It is 30. 18 plus 12 is 30. Yes. So x will be equal to 4. Alright. ठीक है बच्चा पार्टी. Arithmetic means sum of observations divided by number of observations. Nothing much. Alright. So I think by now everybody has opened the account. No, somebody yet. So after this question guys, we have at the first place Yash, Sydney, Pragya, Akansha and Anjali. ठीक है, let's move ahead. Next question guys, next question coming to your way. Question number 3 is this. Question number 3, what it is saying, please listen. Mean of first n natural numbers is 3n by 5, then the value of n. अच्छा, अब here if you don't know sum of n natural numbers, if you don't know, I'll tell you sum of n natural number. ये थोड़ा सा difficult है for you all. Sum of n natural numbers, or I think you know ना यार, n into n plus 1 by 2. You have studied in arithmetic progression. नहीं, you know about it. n into n plus 1 by 2. Sum of first 10 observations. In arithmetic progression, you have studied sum of first n natural number is what? N into n plus 1 by 2. That is one important result. So you know the sum and find out the answer. Be quick. Last 10 seconds. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and the time is up. Alright बच्चों, so we have got the correct answer. Very well done. यहाँ पे correct answer is 5. देखो sum of n natural number is n into n plus 1 by 2. So we know sum of all the observations, which is n into n plus 1 by 2 divided by number of observations. If there are n natural numbers, number of observation is n only, and this is equal to mean, which is 3n by 2. Sum of observations, this is number of observation, and this is mean. So here n to n got cancelled, n to n got cancelled. You are left with n plus 1 by 2 is equal to 3n by 2 upon 2 got cancelled. You got shift n over there. 2n, 3n by 5 it is there. Oh, it is by 5. Sorry, it is by 5. It is upon 5. Cross multiply 5n plus 5 is equal to 6n. You'll be getting n is equal to 5. Option A will be your correct answer. Sir, how can you prove n into n plus 1 by 2? Can you do on board? Arithmetic progression 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 up to n. Use the sum of n terms formula, you'll get your answer. Same thing only, you'll get n into n plus 1 by 2. Alright? Okay, the Yari show. Clear hai? Sum of n terms, n natural numbers. Series is there in front of you. Apply the formula n into n plus 1 by 2. You will get your answer. Total n terms, number of terms by 2 into first term plus last term. आ गया और क्या? Okay? ठीक है बच्चा? Right? Now, let's move ahead. Let's look at the leaderboard. So, after this question, we have in the leaderboard, some students still have to open the account yet. So we have Yash, Sydney, Akansh, and Pragya and Anjali. ठीक है, बाकी बच्चे ओपन द अकाउंट क्विकली, है ना, जल्दी से. चलो लेट्स गो अहेड. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 देख लो बेटा क्विकली. If the mean of the following distribution is 2.6, then the value of P. Mean is given. They are asking the value of P. Easy question. Direct linear equation types question है यार. Nothing else. Direct linear equation type questions here. Nothing else. Be quick. Mean, you need to mean is given, which is 2.6. You need to find out the value of P. Just apply the formula of mean and you will get your answer. All right, last 5 seconds guys, last 5 seconds. 4 3 2 1 and the time is up. So bacha party, we have got the correct answer. Oh, 3 students have given the correct answer, which is 3. कैसे करना है इसको? देखो, mean will be what? Fi into xi करना पड़ेगा, right? You need to do one more column, which is fi into xi. 3 into 1 is 3, 2 into 3 is 6, p into 1 is p, 4 into 1 is 4, 5 2s are 10. So mean is equal to sum of fi xi divided by sum of frequency. So mean is 2.6. Sum of this fi xi, 3 plus 6 9, 9 plus 4 is equal to what? 13 plus 10 23. 23 plus p divided by sum of frequency, 3 plus 3 9 plus 1 10 11 12 13. सॉल्व कर लो इसको, जस्ट सॉल्व इट, यू विल गेट योर आंसर. ठीक है, 23 प्लस p बाय, अरे यार व्हाट आई एम एडिंग, xi आई हैव टू ऐड ना. 3 plus 3, अरे यार व्हाट आई एम डूइंग, सॉरी, 10. So 26 is equal to 23 plus p, p will be equal to 3. हो गया खत्म, डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन है. ठीक है, लास्ट क्वेश्चन फॉर दिस क्विज कमिंग टू योर वे गाइस. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 आ रहा है. ठीक है, दिस इज द टाइम फॉर यू टू सी व्हाट मार्क्स यू विल बी गेटिंग. जल्दी से सोच समझ के आंसर करो. द मीन ऑफ 2 7 6 एंड x is 5. The mean of 18 1 6 and x and y is 10. What is the value of y? तो पहले x का वैल्यू निकालो. Once you'll get the value of x, you'll get the value of y also. First, find out the value of x. Once you get the value of x, you will get the value of y also. Mean of 2 7 6 and x is 5. Mean of 18 1 6 and x and y is 10. What is the value of y? Alright, 3 2 1 and the time is up. So बच्चा पार्टी देखो, 20 will be over here the correct answer. क्या करना है इसमें? First thing, 2 7 6 and x, their mean is given as 5, right? So I can say कि sir, if I do 2 plus 7 plus 6 plus x divide by 4, it should be equal to 5. So you'll be getting 2 plus 7 9 plus 6 15 plus x is equal to 20. You got x is equal to 5. Now next case, mean of 18 plus 1 plus 6 plus x plus y, here 5 values, is equal to 10. 18 plus 6 is 24 plus 1 25. So 25 plus x is also 5 plus y is equal to 50. Y is equal to 20. खत्म. Option C will be your correct answer. All right, बच्चा. ठीक है. So this is how we are done with the topic statistics. याद रखना GPE Pro is your code to get flat 10% off. Link I have shown you is mentioned in the description box and a direct 10% off मिलेगा. And if you want, you can start with the trial of 15 days as well. Try कर लो. And I'm pretty sure you like it. And yes, you can obviously go ahead with going for the whole course. All right. But don't forget GPE Pro because you'll be getting benefit of it. Rest is up to you. You don't want benefit, don't do it. Okay, ठीक है. So thank you so much guys joining the session. Please before you go ahead, please don't forget to like the video, share the video with your friends and subscribe to this channel if you are new here. And thank you so much to all the students who have already liked this video. All right. So we'll be moving ahead with our final leaderboard. And in the leaderboard, we have, who do we have? Chalo. So Yash is our topper for today. Very well done, Yash beta. Then I have Sydney, Akansh, Pragya, Anjali, Rosna, Elsa and Zlatan in the leaderboard. Alright guys, ठीक है. So this is all in today's class. Thank you so much for joining the session and we'll meet you all in the next class. ठीक है. चलो. Bye bye guys. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye to all of you.